Southridge Trail 2026 with a board donkey. First run, baby. Woo. Oh yeah, baby. First run after 2 months, no ride. Mother father, what's going on you, Nards MTB Flow? Now following board donkey, the Filipino assassin, Irina Sokal. Grabe, bilis. Lupit. Ahon na. Ahon na naman sana ako eh. Naalala ko nga yan. Warm up for board donkey. Ang lupit. Walang pinatatawad. Hataw talaga kung hataw mga bradies. Again, the MTB, Filipino MTB assassin. Board donkey is the name. Huwag kalimutan suportahan. Hardcore na, cutie pa. Uy, matanong po. Oh, sayang. Oh, trying to watch up. Been a long time for me for you know, no pedaling. Yow! Yow! Sarap talaga ng Southridge. Kahit sometimes lang. Ayos na. Again, the guiding by board donkey, the Filipino MTB assassin, Irina Sokal. Try to contact him if you want, if you need a guide. This is the man. Hardcore na, cutie pa. Oh shit, malupit. Tinatalong pa yon. Bira lumiligtas din ah. Man, try to catch my breath now. Even it's an e-bike. Ha? Oh yeah? Kaya mo lang siya. Just flow lang. No problem break, brother. And you be good. We be good. Ganda talaga ng view rito, buds. Malupit. Wala, shaky pa nga ang kamay. Oh yeah. Yeah baby. Lupit. Lupit ng mga pihit. Ganda ng view rito, bro. Puntahan na yan mga kapatid. Ayan yung Southridge Park. Yup. Sarap. Yun. Galing. Ganda rito. Medyo lis lang siya pero okay naman. Rito, tagalim ng ano, bushes. Oh yeah baby. That's our first run. Warm up with a board donkey. Shout out. Here. Oh, shout out ang ano, ang pajakers. Ang pajakers.
Del Pajakers.
Always pajakers. May pajakers ka na, may pajakers ka pa. Go ride, brothers. Shout out.